friends, let's do Mama We All Crazy Now guitar lesson by Quiet Riot. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're just starting on the C power chord, and it's actually starting on the 4 and. So we go 4 and 1, and then and 2 and 3 and 4. So we do it 6 times. Then just go back to the B flat and we do the same thing. Back to the C power chord, same again. Back to the B flat, this time we're going to play it open and then 6 palm mutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So fairly easy start. That's guitar 1. Now let's have a look at guitar 2. So we're just starting on the 20th fret on the E string, play the note and come in with your whammy bar. Then we're playing 8 on the B and the E 2 times. And then play 10 on the E, 8 on the B 2 times. And back to 8 and 8. So. Then we're doing this D shape, play 10 on the G, 11 on the B. And then play 11 on the B and the E, and we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, and stay on 11 B and go back to 10 E. So. Then do the first one again. Just finish on 10 on the G, 11 on the B, and then do a pick slide. And they're both the parts for the intro. The verse is pretty easy. We're just playing a C power chord, all palm muted with 8th notes for a bar. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and go to the F and do the same. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and back to the C, same again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then go to B flat, same again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and just repeat that 2 times. So C, F, C, B flat, and that's our verse C. So the pre-chorus, nice and easy again, just an F power chord, hold for a bar, then a B flat power chord for a bar, do that again, F for a bar, B flat for a bar, and again, F for a bar, B flat for a bar, then just go to C and hold it for 2 bars. And that's our pre-chorus C. So guitar 1 for the chorus, we're just playing the G power chord 2 times, to the F power chord 2 times, then hold the C power chord for 2 bars. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, repeat that again, G power chord 2 times, F power chord 2 times, play the C power chord for a bar, 1, 2, 3, 4, jump back to the B flat, play it once and then do palm muting, 6 palm mutes like we did in the intro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's guitar 1. Now let's have a look at guitar 2. So again we start on the G power chord 2 times, the F power chord 2 times, then we're doing the same fill as the intro, 8B and E 2 times, 8B, 10 E 2 times, back to 8 and 8. Then for this next fill we're doing 10 on the D and the G, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then go back to 10 on the D, 9 on the G. repeat the G again, F, our first fill again. Finish on 10G, 11B, and our pick slide again. So slightly different from the intro there, and that's guitar 2 for the chorus. So for our verse, guitar 1 stays exactly the same. In guitar 2 we have this little fill, so let me play it for you. So we're starting on the 3rd fret on the A, do 1 palm mute there, and then just play the 3rd fret. 2nd fret on the D, back to 3rd fret A, 3rd fret D, 3rd fret A, 3rd fret D to 5th fret. Play the 2nd fret on the D, slide up to the 3rd fret, slide back to the 2nd fret, then we repeat again, palm mute on the 3rd fret on the A, play the 3rd fret, 2nd fret on the D, back to 3rd fret on the A, 3rd fret on the D, 3rd fret on the A, D, 3rd fret, 5th fret, and then for the start of the pre-chorus we're playing the 3rd fret on the D. And for our pre-chorus the guitar stays exactly the same. From there we have our chorus, and guitar 1 and 2 stay exactly the same there. Then we have our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end, and we're just playing the verse rhythm and the pre-chorus rhythm there. Now let me just talk you through guitar 1 for the outro chorus, because it's similar to other choruses. We have our G 2 times, our F to our C, and we do that 2 times, do it again, G, F to C. Then we play a G and stop. And that's guitar 1. Then we have a slide, and we're just going to slide a pick slide on the G and the B string. Then we do that again. Then we're just playing our G 2 times, our F to our C. We do that 3 times. To our C for 2 bars, and again. This time it changes a little bit. We're going to do 2 on the G, stop on the F. Then we're playing the C, 1, 2, 3, back to the B flat, and our palm muting, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we go back to our G 2 times, our F 2 times, our C, and do it again there, and again G, F. Now to finish we're going to play C, B flat, F, and finish on the C there. And that's guitar 1. Then we have guitar 2, it's going to be similar, the G to the F, our fill like before. Now it changes here, we're going to slide up to 13, B and E. And on the last one, play 13, B, 12, E. And we do that 2 times, G, F, our fill. Then we just stop on our G. We have our pick sides like before. Then we just go back to our G, our F, our fill again. Do that 3 times. Our fill. And again. Coming up to our fill. And there's a 3rd guitar which we'll have a look at in a minute playing over there, and then we finish the same. Our G, our F, to our C, to our G again, our F, then play C, and here we're just going to do a little blues pattern. We're going to do 5 on the D, 7 on the G, 2 times and back to 5. So go back to the B flat there, and this time we're going to do 4 on, so it's a sus this time, 4 on the B, 3 on the G 2 times, finish on the F and to the C there. And then there's a 3rd guitar as well. So the 3rd guitar we're just doing similar to what we did before, 3 on the A, 2 on the D, 3 on the A, 3 on the D, 3A, 3D, 5D. And then we're just holding the G, the 3rd fret on the E, and then we repeat that again. And hold the G. So they're all the rhythm parts. Now let's have a look at both solos. So we're going to start with this run on the D string, 10, 12, 14, G string, 10, 12, 14, B string, 11, 13, 15, E string, 12, 13, 15. Then we go to the G string, 7th fret, do a bend, just play 7th fret and then a pinched harmonic on the 5th fret on the G, bend the 8th fret G, play 6B, do that again, 8, 6, then on the B, 5, 6, 8, do a bend and release on 7th fret G and a pinched harmonic again on the 5th fret on the G, and then we just play 3rd fret G, hammer onto 5th fret, pull off the 3rd fret, use your bar. Then we're sliding up to the 12th fret on the E, 13, 15, do a bend on 15B, bend and release 13, B, bend 16 on the B, 13E, bend it again, 13 and then 12, 13, 15, do a bend on 15 on the B, bend and release 13, jump up to 20 on the E, do a bend and play 20 again. Then we're playing 15 on the D. Now we have a run here, 15, 17, 19, on the G, 15, 17, 19, on the B, 17, 18, 20, on the E, 17, 18, 20, do a bend and release, do that again, then play 17, 22, 17, 17, 17, 20, 17, 17, 17, do 19, pull off to 17, 20 on the B, back to 17E, back to B, 20, bend and release, pull off to 18, then do that again. G, 17, hammer onto 19, and 18 on the B. Then we're going to play these octave chords. You're going to have 10 on the G, 13 on the B, mute the B. We're going to play it once, 2 mutes and again. Then move up 2 frets, 12 and 15, once, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then another one. Play it again, and then we're moving up to 14 and 17, 1, 2, 3, and then just play it again. Slide up 1 fret and back again. Then we've got the last run here, D, 15, 17, 19, G, 15, 17, 19, B, 17, 18, 20, E, 17, 18, 20, 22, and then 4 bends on 22 there. And that's the first solo. Now let's have a look at the second solo. So we're just playing the open D and G and then slide up. We're going to bend 14 on the G and play 12B 2 times, bend and release, and then just 12G. Move up a fret, do the same, 15 and 13. Then play 14 on the G. Then we're going to play 15 and 17 on the E, tap on 20. 1, do it 6 times. Then just bend on 22. And that's all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Mama We All Crazy Now Guitar Lesson by Quiet Riot. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 80s rock, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.